In this video, I'll show you how to use automations in Monday.com to streamline your workflows, save time, and reduce manual tasks. Stick around till the end, because I'll share some alternatives that could even serve your needs better, especially if you're looking for more flexibility in automations. Let's dive straight into the first thing. Automations in Monday.com are designed to make your life easier by reducing repetitive tasks. Essentially, these automations can trigger actions based on changes in your boards or specific conditions you set. For example, you can have a task automatically move to the next person when it's marked as complete, or send a reminder email when a due date is approaching. Next thing, setting up automations in Monday.com is incredibly simple. You don't need any coding knowledge to get started. All you need to do is go to your board, click on the Automations button, and you'll see a wide range of pre-built automation recipes. These are customizable, and you can tailor them to your specific workflow needs. Want to notify someone when a task is overdue? There's a recipe for that. Want to automatically assign a task based on priority? Easy. The third thing, you also have the option to create your own custom automations if none of the pre-built ones suit your needs. You can create triggers based on almost any condition you can think of, like when a status changes, when a date arrives, or when a specific field is filled in. The possibilities are pretty extensive, but keep in mind that more complex automations can quickly become cumbersome to manage if you're not careful. Monday.com gives you a lot of flexibility, but without a solid structure, it can get a bit overwhelming. Now, the fourth thing, let's talk about how Monday.com automations integrate with other tools. You can set up automations that interact with apps like Slack, Google Calendar, and even Microsoft Teams. This makes it even easier to keep all your communication and task management within one streamlined process. However, integration isn't always perfect, and sometimes you may face a few hiccups when connecting with third-party apps. It's a great feature when it works, but it can be frustrating when it doesn't. The fifth thing, one downside to Monday.com's automations is that they come with a limit depending on your pricing tier. If you're on a lower tier plan, you'll be restricted in terms of how many automations you can create and how many actions they can trigger. While it's an affordable option for small teams, larger organizations or those with heavy automation needs may find themselves needing to upgrade to access more functionality. So, what's the takeaway? Monday.com is a solid choice if you're looking for simple and quick automations, but it does have its limitations, especially in terms of complexity, pricing tiers, and occasional integration issues. However, there are other tools out there that might serve your needs better when it comes to automations. We found a competitor that offers more advanced automation workflows and better flexibility at similar pricing, so you won't have to worry about hitting limits or struggling with integrations. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that we have an exclusive and extended free trial for the software, and through our link, you'll get the best possible deal, plus some amazing added benefits. But I've also included alternatives that have free trials and might be better suited for your automation needs. These tools provide more robust features for people who need more customization or scalability. Check out the link in the description to get access to the best free trial and exclusive perks only available to our viewers.